Are you confused about what you should pack in your travel makeup kit? Then come with me and help me to arrange my travel makeup kit for my next international flight. So in this video, I will show you what I carry with me in my essential travel makeup kit. Before we jump into the video, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel so that you get all the latest notification whenever I post a video. When you interact with me through likes and comments and also subscribe to my channel, it gives me a lot of motivation to create such interesting videos for you. It also tells YouTube to show my video to a larger audience, which helped me to grow on YouTube as well. So if you are interacting with me in any ways, thank you so much for all your support. So now quickly let's get into the video. So first of all, I'll tell you that I have two pouches. In one I have all the makeup tools and in the other I have the makeup items. I like to keep my tools separate because I don't have that compartmental box in which you can keep everything together. Even by separating them, I don't have that. These are very easy to find, Ziploc pouches and kind of pencil case. So I like to keep my tools separate and my makeup separate. It's all up to you. I'll put all the links of the products I'm talking about today, about these bags, in the description box below. You can check that out later. So I'll show you one by one that what are the things I have in my toolkit. First of all, I have this eyelash curler over here that I often use. So this is the first brush that I have, and this is the Real Techniques brush in number 200. I like to apply my foundation with this brush. Sometimes if I'm using a cream blush, then I also use this one. Next, I have this fluffy powder blush, and I use it because I have very dry skin. Sometimes I have to powder my under eye, so I use a compact powder always, and for that reason I use this. Even if I'm using a powder blush, then I always go with this brush. The next two brushes that I have here, this is a blending brush and the second is a concealer brush. These two brushes help me sort out, like for example, if I'm doing my eyeshadow and I'm applying one shade all over my lid, I can go with this concealer brush. So this is a multi-purpose brush for me. I can also apply my concealer as well as my contour with this one. And this one is a perfect blending brush which I mostly use for my eyeshadows. This one, it has a spoolie on one end, and on another end it has a eyebrow brush. This is my regular go-to brush whenever I'm doing my eyebrows, so this is a must-have for me. Last but not the least, I have these hairpins. So I use this to keep my hair away from my face whenever I'm doing makeup, and on the move, these are really important. So this is all I have in my makeup essential toolkit. If you want to customize this according to your requirement, you are just free to do it. You can keep any kind of items that you regularly use for your makeup. You can also include a beauty blender, but I think on a flight my hands are not clean. I cannot wash the beauty blender, so I like to use my brushes, which I can clean later on. As you can see, I have a lot of product in my makeup kit. So it has everything that I use regularly most of the time. I have my few favorite products over here, and I have also kept in mind that when I am on a vacation or when I'm traveling to a new destination, these are the only makeup items that I reach out regularly. So for example, if you want me to survive for a month with makeup with just this pouch, I'll be able to do so. So you may say this is not only a travel essential, but this is a everyday essential for makeup items for me. So now one by one, I will show you what things I have in this one. Before I talk about any makeup product, I want to tell you that there is some liquid rule that you have to follow, and the confusion arises with liquids not being only liquid. So there is a long list to follow, and I have another dedicated video for that. If you want, you can watch that out. I will link that in the description box. So first of all, I have this Fit Me primer, which I regularly use, and make sure all the things that you are arranging are of a smaller travel size pack. I try to include mostly such items. So after the primer, I have my concealer. This is the Sephora Best Skin Ever primer, and this is in 5 grams as well, so I don't think you need a smaller one than this. For foundation, I have this Bobbi Brown foundation, and you can see how small this little jar is. You will get to buy these kind of jars from your local store, or I will also link all these products in the description box below, so you can take a few pump of your favorite foundation into these kind of little jar, and you can carry that in your travel makeup pouch, so that will be very handy. I think this amount will be good for 5 to 7 days. It holds a lot of product into it. So after the primer, concealer, foundation, now we will move to eye makeup. So first of all, for my eyebrows, I have 2 products over here because mostly I use 2 of them together, or I am literally very confused which one should I use. So I don't want to keep on finding for what I want at that point of time. So for my eyebrows, I will carry 2 products. So this one is my favorite brow pomade from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and you know, the only con about this is you need to carry a brush along with this as well. So as I have shown you in my toolkit, I have a brush which works for this one. So this is my eyebrow pomade, and this is a eyebrow pencil which I have. So this is from Peri Pera, and I really love the very slim pencil and how does it work on me. So if I am just during the daytime, if I want an effortless makeup, I can use this. And on the other side, it has a spoolie as well, so it is very handy to use, especially when you are traveling. So these are the 2 eyebrow products I have. And after that, for eyeshadow, actually I love to mix eyeshadows and my blush powder blushes as well. So this is my eyeshadow palette from Swiss Beauty. This is in the number 6. The palette is number 06, Ultimate Shadow Palette 06 from Swiss Beauty. And I love how versatile this one, the palette is. You can use it for your daytime makeup, for your nighttime makeup, and this is absolutely only one makeup palette that you need. Especially if you like warm neutral colors like me, then you will love this palette. I also love to carry a single eyeshadow like this. Is from Sephora, and you can see that this is a glitter eyeshadow, so I can top up with any of these matte shades, and this will look gorgeous. This is a pink champagne kind of a color, and I like how gorgeous it looks on my eyelids. So as you can see, all the products are very handy. This has only 1.2 grams of product, and this whole pan has only 6 grams of product. So you can easily pack all these things in your travel makeup bag. Now coming to mascaras and kajal. First of all, I have these kajal from Lakme. This is the Lakme Iconic Kajal, and I have it in 2 shades. One is this black, which is my regular shade, and one I have in blue for special look. Okay, so now here I have 2 more eye products. One is this felt tip eyeliner from Peri Pera. Again, you can see how does it look over here. And then I also carry this very small mini size of Benefit Cosmetics Bad Girl Bang Mascara. So this is a mini pack, and I love this one. I just cannot do without this, and this is a very travel friendly packaging as well. So for the blush, I'm carrying only one in my travel essential makeup kit, and this is from Maybelline Fit Me, and this is in the shade Revolutionary, which is number 50. I love the shade because it doesn't have any shimmery particles. It is a regular use. I can use it regularly, even during my travel and during my vacation. This is a universal shade which you can wear during the day as well as night. And the most important thing is it stays for the longest time I have ever used, and it is not at all patchy. If you want to see a detailed review about this one, I have it on my channel. I would link it in the description box. I will put it in the I button. You can go and check that out later. Now coming to our lips. I have few lips option. Yeah, I'll just show you. You know, lipstick is such a great part which we cannot miss. So first of all, I have received this small lipstick from Sephora. This is from their Sephora collection, liquid lipstick in red. One red lipstick is a must when you are traveling in your travel essential kit, or even when you are using it on the vacation. So this is one very small cute packaging which I'm carrying for red lipsticks, because you know, maybe hardly 2 or 3 times during the whole time we will be using red. So I'm just taking this small one. After that, I have a orange lipstick, and this one is Silky Girl Matte Style Lipstick in shade orange. So you can see how orangey this one is. So you know, if you are on a vacation, you like to use these kind of vibrant shades which set the mood for you. So this is that bright red orange. And then for regular all-time use, I have this one from L'Oreal. This is their color Riche in the number 107, which is Cyan Sunset. This is my everyday, my lips but better kind of a shade, and you can see how gorgeous this one is, and I love this shade. I'm still wearing it. And for regular kind of makeup, for all-time makeup, I am going to use this is my favorite. And lastly, I have this lip liner from Sephora collection again, and this one lip liner actually goes with this is kind of a purplish brown shade, which goes with most of the lipstick that I wear. So I can manage this with red, with browns, with neutrals, with everything. This lip liner is just very creamy. Okay, lastly I carry 2 more things. One is this mirror, which comes with a hairbrush just like this. You can open it like this, and then this is very compact. You can again put that inside. You have another compartment over here where you can put your, you know, rubber bands and things and close it. So it's like a very compact thing. I got it from Miniso. So lastly, I have this mini perfume, which is a sample, and I love to use these kind of small packaging, as these are very handy and can be carried anywhere. So these are all the makeup products and makeup tools that I carry with me in my carry-on baggage as a travel essential makeup bag. If you have any other suggestion or question, then let me know in the comment section below. I'll be happy to help you. See you in my next video. Till then, take care and bye-bye.